Okay, I'm at work. So at this point, I'm gonna back up. I have already done the washing and everything, and I've gone through the whole video, and now I realize you guys probably wanna know the kind of implements we use and the products. So before this video starts, I'm gonna actually have a picture of all the products. The shampoo and conditioner is my favorite. It's a pH of 6. Your hair needs to be a pH of 7, so it helps to bring the pH of your hair down, which makes the extensions last longer. That's a big deal. Serums, we always give you the Loma, but I have found that this is a more advanced one, and I love it, and we have it at the salon. This is the one that I continuously use throughout the video when I'm putting serum in my hair. This is that spray you're gonna see, and it's the Cume Gloss, we have it, that I spray in my hair, and it makes it really soft and slick. The second day after I straightened my hair, I think it was when. Olaplex is a great product to have for when you wanna give it kind of a surge, like a boost in hydration. You would put that on your hair, leave it on, wash it out. Don't leave that in. They came out with a new product we're gonna get. It's a leave-in. So curl cream, straight cream, or sculpting lotion. These are all double layer protection products. So what that means is you put those in when your hair, after your hair is been washed and the serum is in, you put this in, it will help to smooth it, style it, retain the style. It will also help with frizz. It'll help with, if you want to put curls in, it'll actually hold those things. The cool thing is it reactivates with heat, so the next day you can blow dry it, it'll actually reactivate. Usually, sometimes I send those with you too. We also have the keratin smoothing mask. Again, deep treatment, moisturizing conditioner. For the ones that want to have cooler hair, like say you have the white or blonde, or you just want to cool down your warm extensions, we always recommend the Loma. There's the violet conditioner and shampoo. Depending on how you put that on will be the intensity of how white your hair gets. So if you turn it like a gray visually when it's wet, when you dry that, it's going to be almost pure white. So, and that's about 15 minutes leaving it on unemulsified. So it'll be full purple on your hair. And then, but if you put it in, you want to start at the bottom and go up. If you start at the top, you're going to turn it kind of purple, and then you go down. So you want to start going up. This is a powder that can help with getting rid of grease on the scalp of your hair. It's kind of like a dry shampoo, but it's a dry powder. It's pretty great. Gives a little bit of volume as well. Not a little bit, gives a lot. This is a conditioner and serum combo, so it's super lightweight. So if you're needing more than this isn't gonna be it for you, but it's a two-phase, so you shake it. I already shook it, but it should be half white and then half blue, and then you shake it in. You spray it in your hair. You do that when it's wet. You can also do that when it's dry. This is the advanced product that I really like. It's the cream. So it's when I've been putting in the stylers, and then you'll hear me refer to, I'm gonna put a little cream in. That's what I've been using. Particularly for me, that works. And then as far as hairspray, you can use, hairspray to kind of set it. But again, these bonds get loosened with alcohol. So if you put the hairspray straight on the bond, you're going to loosen that bond. And okay, I think that's it for my video. This is gonna be a long video. So make sure to watch the whole thing from beginning to end. Even if you're styling your hair or something, because there's things that I bring up as I'm even learning. So as I'm doing the video, I'm noticing things that I kind of don't tell clients. So watch the whole thing, do your hair while you're watching it. I do a whole part where I've washed it, dried it, and then I go through phases of every day I'm changing my hair out. So today is the 31st. I've had my hair done on the 22nd. So we're looking at 9 days right now, and I think I'm gonna be able to go a couple more days, 2, 3, 4 more days, whatever. That's the cool thing about this video. It'll teach you how to get your hair to a point where you can do that. And these are about 4 months old. I was looking back and I found out they are 4 months old. Okay.